subscribe another channel, Automotive Area channel, click link at description. Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. 4 years after the prototype, Project LiveWire is production ready and on display at EICMA. Pre-orders can be placed beginning in January. Harley-Davidson says excited about the future of electric motorcycles, and expects to deliver a full portfolio of electric motorcycles by 2022. Davidson LiveWire model offers the rider a new, high-performance motorcycling experience, propelled by the immediate torque of an all-electric motor. The LiveWire motorcycle is capable of astounding acceleration with just a twist of the throttle, no clutching or gear shifting required. A low center of gravity, rigid aluminum frame and premium adjustable suspension components give the LiveWire dynamic handling, performance and range are optimized for the urban street rider. The all-new Harley-Davidson LiveWire will be on sale next year, and further details regarding pricing and pre-order process will be released in January 2019.